handed down as a result of a special grand jury investigation. Grave robbing in Texas is this hour's top news story. An informant led officers of the Muerto County Sheriff's Department to a cemetery just outside the small rural Texas community of Newt early this morning. Officers there discovered what appeared to be a grisly work of art, the remains of a badly decomposed body wired to a large monument. A second body was found in a ditch near the perimeter of the cemetery. Subsequent investigation has revealed at least a dozen empty crypts, and it's feared more will turn up as the probe continues. Deputies report that in some instances, only parts of a corpse had been removed. The head, or in some cases, the extremities removed, the remainder of the corpse left intact. Evidence indicates the robberies have occurred over a period of time. Sheriff Jesus Maldonado refused to give details in the ghoulish case and said only that he did have strong evidence linking the crime to elements outside the state. Area residents have reportedly converged on the cemetery, fearing the remains of relatives have been removed. No suspects are in custody as the investigation at the scene continues.
Come on, Franklin! It's gonna be fun!
What's up, YouTube? This is going to be a couple of different things today. This is a camera test, and this is, hopefully, we will capture a little bit of drone footage. So I'm trying out this camera for vlogging, see how it works outside. This is a place I've been before. If you follow the channel, you've seen before. I'm in Leander, Texas. So, Leander, Texas, horror channel, Baghdad Cemetery. So we're gonna see how this goes. I just want to scout a few areas real quick before I send the drone up, and then we'll see how it goes. Looks like there's some other people out here taking pictures of the famous monument from the beginning of the movie, so that's cool. So this is kind of the east side of the cemetery, I guess. More of a pasture here. I'll park way over there so I'm out of the way, and there's a lot of room here if you want to stay out of the way. I'm just going to walk through a couple of key places that I hope to capture with the drone and see what kind of obstacles there are. And these trees might be an issue, we'll see. But it's real obvious when you pull in where the main tombstone is, where the hitchhiker had the corpse up on the other tombstone, which was a fake tombstone made for the movie. So we'll walk over there real quick, and I know I've already covered this in my filming location video for Kingsland and Leander, but why not do it again, right? Maybe it'll be a little bit better today. So here it is. Hopefully you can see this.
Removed. The head, or in some cases, the extremities removed, the remainder of the corpse left intact.
Hopefully you recognize this. If you don't, what are you doing? You're on the wrong channel. Just kidding. So obviously the pan up is something like this, and the hitchhiker's creation is revealed. So the dummy tombstone would have been right in here in this area, and then Toby Hooper and the crew set up right there to give that amazing foreground background shot. I'm going to walk around so you can see the front. C.C. Mason. There's the front of the monument right there. So this is somewhere I kind of would like to buzz the drone. It would be cool to come through those trees and then right past it. I will fly over the entire cemetery, but I'm only going to focus on two or three chainsaw things for me. So it's Mr. Pickle's final resting place. So I want to get a cool drone shot of that, and then possibly walk down here where the van pulled up. And shoot that. I'd really like to fly in from the same direction the van would have been coming, which is this way. I don't know. But like I pointed out in the other video, I think this is the original post for the fence line that you'll see in the movie. Right. Here, the tree has taken it over, so the original fence line would have been here. Ditch. The old man was laying in, drinking the shiny premium beer. It's here. Somewhere in here. Somewhere. And then now this fence is obviously much further out to the road. So, or maybe it's always been over there, I can't remember. But this is a lot of the background of what you'll see when Sally's talking to the locals. I call that building in the middle a mausoleum. I don't know if that's what it is, but it's a good reference point when you're trying to line up some shots. I tried to line up a shot of the old drunk man laying in the ditch, and I got close, but I was clipping off the end of that building. I should have lined it up a little better, so I'm sure this won't be my last trip out to the cemetery. But yeah, so the things I wanted to do is I wanted to fly the drone the direction the van was coming. Probably stay pretty high to avoid these power lines because they're hard to see. And then get a little lower, and then I will park down there where they parked. But for editing purposes, this may be where we'll be done if we move this arch. So maybe this is where the arch always was. The arch doesn't appear in the movie, but it's the entrance to the cemetery, so why would we include it? People that are not here for chainsaw, that are actually here to visit their loved ones. So let me see what this kind of looks like. Yeah. This would be cool to kind of fly the drone right under here. Get a nice little shot. Here's some stuff, rules and regulations. Baghdad Cemetery Owner Association. Rules and regulations, ownership of space, intermittent, new construction, plantings, general. It's probably telling me not to be here with a camera. So I'll get a little shot of this map. This is kind of cool. I've never seen the different areas coordinated off by different names: homestead, farmer, prairie, settler, pioneer, rancher, NSB, NSA, Mesquite Road, Magnolia Road, Baghdad Road, FM 2243. So this would be cool to reference. I may try to use this in the video to give y'all an idea of like where Pickles Monument is and where the CC Mason is, stuff like that. Okay.
Every day in the sidewalk cafe, drinking coffee, watching women walking by. The color of their hair, not the reason that I stare, but I always was a fool for blind. Boo-ba, boo-ba-da, boo-ba, da, jiggling this way as they strut along the way. Watching's most enough to make you high.
corner of Walnut and Pecan. Inside is where you'll find the C.C. Mason monument. That's what everybody really wants to see. So hopefully get some unique angles that we haven't seen yet, because I haven't seen a lot of drone footage. I'm not saying it's not out there, I just haven't looked it up. So Sally and the man in the red shirt and the cowboy hat kind of walk through here. You can see him just past the Mason when she's looking for her grandparents' place too. It's a super quick shot, but Pickle Monument is super close to C.C. Mason Monument. You can see it took me just about 50 steps to get from one to the other. So yeah, kind of cool, kind of different, kind of the same. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever been to the Baghdad Cemetery, or have you been to the house in Kingsland, or hopefully, the very least, you've been to the gas station in Bastrop, because that's the most iconic, I think. The house is, but they moved it, so I feel like it loses a little bit of points for moving the location. And if you go by the original location now, it's like office buildings. It's gross. Gross. But yeah, here it is. Let's read the quote again. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. C.C. Mason. Okay, Texas Chainsaw Massacre Cemetery. Baghdad Cemetery in scenic Leander, Texas. Just east of Georgetown and Round Rock. So, highly recommend you come check it out. Be a cool little road trip. Stop off. If you can tack it on to driving out to Kingsland and Hoopers and then swing way back over to Bastrop and hit the gas station for the trifecta, it'll be your whole Saturday or your whole Sunday, but I think you won't be disappointed. So like and subscribe. Q Franklin.
If I have any more fun today, I don't think I'm going to be able to take it.